welcome back to my channel. Well, here we are at day 3 for a Dollar Tree haul, new finds, and I can't wait to show you fall has arrived at the Dollar Tree. So let's get started, okay? First of all, I found, I love this color. I have never seen this color at the Dollar Tree. These are peonies, and look how beautiful that is. You wouldn't find anything at Hobby Lobby or anywhere else any prettier than that. Look at that. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 bunches of these. Aren't these gorgeous? I just love them. Oh, I got 5 bunches of these. And then I found 1 little bunch of these crocuses. I wish I could have found more, but I only found 1. I'm going to keep a lookout for more of those. Then I found some of these mini pomegranates. Look how pretty. You can use these any time of the year, this color. You can use them fall or Christmas. I just love them. So I picked up 2 that were in this color. Then I picked up 2 that were in this really pretty orangish color. Oh, look at that. Is that not gorgeous? And then I picked up 2 that were in this color. I just think these are just, look how pretty those are. Oh, can't stand it. And then this was new for me. Maybe they've been there before and I just missed it. But I picked up 1 of these Garlands. This is kind of like the darker color. Picked up 1 of these. Then I picked up, I guess maybe they had 4 types to choose from. Then I picked this up, or maybe this is that, but this just has more of that orange to it. See? Oh, I love that. And then I really liked this, but they didn't have a lot. So I picked up 1 of these, and then this, I love that green and cream. Look at that. I've got to find some more of this and some more of this. And to be honest, some more of this. I think maybe this one is my least favorite because it's just, it doesn't stand out very much, okay? Then I've been looking for like a square for myself so I don't have to use my husband's. And look what I found at the Dollar Tree. It's metal. It's a square. And it has different measurements on it. I just love this. Can't beat it. I was beyond myself. Then they have some new mirrors. They had like a bronze. They had this white, and I picked up the white because I thought it was just so unique. And then they had, let's see, they had the bronze, they had the white, I think maybe black, but I picked up 1 of these. Then I haven't been able to find a lot of these in my Dollar Tree, but I found these. These are so cute. You can do so much with these. They have the little drawer that pulls out. So I picked up 2 of these. And then I saw this box and I thought, you know, this is very unusual. You could do much more with this than just a box. But it says hooray, and it's in glitter, and this is in glitter, and it has the stripes. I just thought that was really cute. And now I've saved maybe the best for last. They had these gorgeous sunflower plates. Look at this. Now this is like the salad plate, and I couldn't find the dinner plate. I wish I could have, but I wasn't able to find it. But look at that. Look at those sunflowers, how gorgeous they are. I'm going to try to find a whole set. I hope I can. I don't know if I'll be able to, but I loved this. I got that. And then look at the bowl. And I like the size. You know, it's kind of like it's round, but it's smaller here and it comes up. I just think that's adorable. But look at these sunflowers on the front. And then they repeat on the back. I love it. And then they had the cup, the little mug. Look at that, how beautiful. That just would make me happy to drink tea or hot chocolate out of it all day long. So that concludes my Dollar Tree haul for today. And I will see you Monday for another Cricut DIY, and it will probably be incorporating the Dollar Tree. And then Tuesday, I will have a Dollar Tree DIY for you. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. So until next time, bye guys.